human rights? No! Do you all want to know? Yes! Okay. Human rights are the set of principles that recognize the fundamental worth of every person. They are universal, meaning they apply to everyone equally, regardless of background, gender, or age. They are important because they recognize our freedom to make choices, develop our potential, and live free from fear, harassment, or discrimination. There are many human rights, so today we, the grade 5 students, are going to present these rights in an interesting way.
Bye mummy, I am going to school. I am so happy.
Bye, beta. Mama, I also want to go to school. No, you cannot go to school. I want you to work at home. No, I want to go to school.
Why are you crying?
My mother is not allowing me to go to school.
Why are you not allowing her to go to school?
Because she is a girl, I want her to work at home.
No girl or boy, no poor or rich. You should treat them equally and you should educate them. Now you can go to school.
Yeah, now I can go to school.
This is the first human right, right to equality.
Right to equality. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, students. Sit down.
Thank you, sir. Sir, what are you teaching today?
I will teach you today the states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas.
Sir, I am having a doubt.
No, you have no right to ask a doubt. I am your teacher.
We have a right to express our thought anywhere. You can't stop it. Yes, this is the second right to expression. Right to expression.
Okay, I got it. Sorry, children.
Okay, sir. मम्मी मुझे खेलना है, मम्मी मुझे खेलना है.
No, you cannot go to play. You should go factory and work. You should earn money for the family.
नहीं मम्मी मुझे खेलना है, मम्मी मुझे खेलना है.
Why are you crying?
मम्मी मुझे खेलने नहीं जाने दे रही है.
Why are you not letting her to go to play?
Because she is a girl, she should go to factory and work. She should earn money for the family.
This is the third human right, right against exploitation. No one can force anyone about his and her wishes.
I am Hindu and I am proud of my religion. I am Muslim and I am proud of my religion. I am Christian and I am proud of my religion. This is the fourth human right, right to freedom of religion. Right to freedom of religion. Everyone can practice whatever religion they want. No, you can't wear a mask like this. It looks so scary and so bad. This is a tribal culture. We are proud of it. We will do it. No, we have not value of the culture. Or else background awareness small group. Stop! You follow your culture and you follow your culture. This is the fifth human right, culture and educational right. Everyone can follow whatever they want and practice it.
I am a lawyer. I am waiting for my client to come.
Good morning, sir.
Here, poor fellow, why did you come here?
I have come here to ask for my justice.
No, you can't ask any justice. You don't have right to ask justice in the court.
No one can stop them to ask justice in court. This is sixth human right, constitutional remedies. Everyone can go and ask for justice in a court of law if he or she feels his or her rights are violated.
Okay, now you can ask for your justice.
We all are born free and equal. Human rights reminds us of our powers to stop any injustice or abuse by any authority. Let us come together to celebrate these powerful rights. Thank you and Happy Human Rights Day.